Put baking powder on the bananas and you'll be surprised by the result. Start by adding 2 medium bananas in a large bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of baking powder and using a fork, mash them just like this. Now add 2 whole eggs, half of a 240 milliliters cup of cocoa powder. Mix until combined. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chocolate powder and mix again until incorporated. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Once you've done that, transfer this batter to a baking dish greased with margarine and chocolatey powder. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Spread until flat and add 80 grams of milk, chocolate chunks all over it. Now, take it to the microwave for 3 minutes. This is the right baking point. Using a plate, flip it, unmold it, and transfer it to a nice serving plate. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it.